I want to tell you something, Alex.
Tell me what happened, Tom.
Actually, I feel very sad.
Why do you feel sad?
My friends laugh at me all the time.
Why do they laugh at you?
They laugh because my English is poor.
Oh, I see.
I try to speak, but I make mistakes.
Do they laugh every time?
Yes, they laugh almost every time.
That is not good.
I feel afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking English.
But you must try.
I try, but I fail.
Do not worry.
How do I improve?
Start with simple present tense. A.
Why simple present tense?
Because it is very important.
How is it important?
We use it every day.
Really?
Yes. We use it to talk about daily life.
Daily life?
Yes, daily life.
Can you give examples?
Yes, I can.
Okay, please.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth also.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
We use simple present tense.
You talk about what you do.
Yes, that is simple present tense.
It looks easy.
Yes, it is easy. Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes.
Why not more?
My family does not speak English.
Oh, I see. That is okay.
Then, how do I practice?
You can practice with me.
Really? Thank you, that would be amazing.
We practice simple sentences.
Okay. I listen.
I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read novels.
You see? These are very simple.
Yes, they are simple. I understand now.
You try more.
Okay. I try.
Say something.
I drink milk.
Good. Say more.
I eat rice.
Very good.
I walk to the market.
Nice sentence.
I play with my sister.
Excellent.
Do you think I can improve easily?
Yes, you can improve.
Do you feel proud of me?
Yes, I feel proud of you.
Thank you.
Keep speaking.
Okay, I will keep speaking.
Good. Speaking every day is important.
Sometimes I feel nervous.
That is normal. Everyone feels nervous.
What should I do when I feel nervous?
Take a deep breath and speak slowly.
Speak slowly?
Yes, slow speech is clear speech.
I understand. I speak slowly.
Good. Now tell me about your day.
I wake up early in the morning.
Good. What do you do after that?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Good sentence. What do you drink?
I drink tea.
Very good.
After breakfast, I go to college.
How do you go to college?
I go by bus.
What do you do in class?
I listen to my teacher.
Do you understand everything?
Not everything. Sometimes I do not understand.
That is okay. Do you ask questions?
Sometimes I ask questions.
That is good. Asking helps learning.
I feel shy, but I try.
I am proud of you.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
Confidence comes with practice. Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice every day.
How do you practice?
I read, I listen, and I speak.
I read short stories.
That is very good. Read aloud.
I read aloud at home.
Excellent. Do you write also?
I do.
I read aloud at home.
Excellent. Do you write also?
Yes, I write simple sentences.
Perfect. Writing helps speaking.
I make mistakes when I speak.
Mistakes are part of learning.
So mistakes are okay?
Yes. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Never stop speaking.
I will not stop. I speak every day.
That is the right attitude.
I like learning English now.
English becomes easy when you practice.
Huh? Thank you for helping me.
Always. We learn together. I am happy to hear that. What do you do in the evening?
I come back home at 5 p.m.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, I feel a little tired.
Do you sleep immediately?
No, I do not sleep. I wash my hands and face.
That is a good habit.
Then I help my mother.
You help your mother? That is very kind.
Yes, she cooks dinner for us.
Does she cook every day?
Yes, she cooks every day. Her food is delicious.
Wait, notice something? You said she cooks.
Is that wrong?
No. When we talk about he or she, we add S to the verb.
Oh, like she cooks or he plays?
Exactly. You learn very fast.
Thank you. My father works hard too.
See? You used works. Excellent grammar.
It is becoming easier now.
So, what do you do after dinner?
I watch TV with my family.
What do you watch?
We watch the news and sometimes a movie.
Do you watch English movies?
Sometimes, but they speak very fast.
Try watching with subtitles. It helps.
Okay, I will try that tonight.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have English homework.
When do you do your homework?
I do it before I sleep.
That is good discipline.
What about weekends?
What happens on weekends?
Do we use simple present tense for weekends too?
Yes, of course. Tell me about your Sunday.
On Sunday, I do not go to college.
So, do you wake up early?
No, I wake up late. I sleep until 10 a.m.
That sounds relaxing.
Then, I play football with my friends.
The friends who laugh at you?
Yes, but when we play football, they do not laugh.
Maybe you can teach them football and they teach you English?
That is a good idea.
Friendships are about sharing.
I go to the park on Sundays too.
I love the park. I run in the park every Sunday.
You run? You are very active.
Yes, health is important.
I want to run too.
You can join me next Sunday.
Really? That would be great.
We can speak English while we run.
Running and speaking? That is hard.
It is good practice for your breath.
Okay, I accept.
Look at us now.
What happened?
You are not nervous anymore.
No, I am comfortable with you.
Imagine I am your classmates.
It is different. They judge me.
Maybe they just joke. Do not take it seriously.
I will try to be strong.
Remember this. I speak, I learn, I improve.
I speak, I learn, I improve. I like this motto.
Keep it in your mind.
Thank you for your time.
You are welcome.
Can we talk again tomorrow?
Yes, anytime.
Good night.
Keep practicing.
Hello again. Good to see you.
Hello. I am happy to see you too.
Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, I am very ready.
Yesterday, we talked about what you do every day.
Yes, like I wake up or I eat.
Correct. Today, look at me carefully.
Okay, I am looking.
What am I doing right now?
You smile.
Close, but not quite. Say, you are smiling?
You are smiling.
Yes, because it is happening right now.
Oh, I understand. Not every day, but now.
Exactly. We call this present continuous tense.
Well, what is the rule for this?
We use am, is, or are, plus the verb with ing to talk about things happening right now.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, I am talking to you.
I see. I am listening to you.
Perfect. You used am and listening.
It feels different from yesterday.
Yes. Look at your hand. What are you doing?
I am holding a pen.
Excellent. What is your mother doing at home now?
She is cooking dinner.
Very good. You said she is.
And my father is working.
You are learning very fast.
Oh. What are we doing together?
We are studying English.
Yes, we are learning new things.
Look around you. What is happening?
The sun is shining.
And look at those birds.
They are flying high.
See? It is all about this moment.
I am enjoying this tense
Why are you enjoying it?
because it describes real life now.
Describe what you are feeling.
I am feeling happy.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, I am not feeling nervous.
That is great news.
Wait, are you writing something?
Yes, I am writing notes for you.
You are helping me a lot.
I am trying my best.
Is it raining outside?
No, it is not raining.
The wind is blowing though.
Yes, the weather is changing.
I am getting better at English.
Yes, you are improving every minute.
Thank you. I am going home now.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.
Hello, Tom. You are here on time?
Hi, Alex. Yes, I am very excited today.
Look at the cafe, Tom. It is very busy.
Yes, many people are here.
Yesterday, we talked about what we do.
Today, let's talk about what is happening.
What do you mean?
Look at me. What am I doing right now?
You drink coffee?
Close. I am drinking coffee.
Oh, I see. I am looking at you.
Exactly. That is the present continuous tense.
How do I make these sentences?
Use am, is, or are and add ing to the verb.
Okay. I am sitting at the table.
Perfect. What about that waiter over there?
He is walking very fast.
And listen to the music.
They is playing music?
Almost. They are playing music.
They are playing music. I understand.
Look at those people near the counter.
They are ordering coffee.
Is the sun shining?
Yes, the sun is shining brightly.
Is it raining now?
No, it is not raining.
Excellent negative sentence.
Yum. What is that girl doing?
She is eating an ice cream. It looks delicious.
I am getting hungry.
She is eating an ice cream.
It looks delicious. I am getting hungry.
Me too. What are we waiting for?
We are waiting for your signal to walk.
Let's go then. We are walking now.
I am practicing English in the park.
You are doing a great job.
I am not feeling afraid anymore.
Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I love learning.
That is the best reason.
My phone is ringing.
Is your mother calling you?
Yes, she is calling me for dinner.
You should go then.
I am leaving now.
See you tomorrow.
See you. I am going home.
Goodbye. You are becoming very good at this.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.